Hey everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today we're making peanut cookies. Yeah, we're making peanut cookies. You heard me right. So today I'll be using egg, flour, and some butter and sugar and some other ingredient to make this peanut butter cookies. So here I'm apparently mixing the egg with the butter, so I'm thoroughly mixing it just to obtain a smooth mix. That's exactly what I'm doing here right now. So you continue to do this until the butter and the egg is properly mixed up. So I added my sugar and I'll continue to mix thoroughly just to obtain a smooth mixture. So here I'm putting in the flour. Yeah, I'm putting in the flour we'll be using today for the peanuts cookies. I'm adding more flours. So I mix everything together, both the flour and already egg mixture. I'll mix everything thoroughly and make sure I obtain as consistent, as soft, as smooth mixture. So I added more flour just to get the consistency we want. Continue to mix the flour till the flour is no longer sticking to the bowl. All right, so here is my sugar. Because cookie has the color brown, so I don't have any coloring. I decided to use sugar to make my coloring. So here I'm frying the sugar, and as I continue to mix and fry this sugar, it will melt and the color will turn brown. So here is the sugar, the color is brown. All right, so guys, at this point I'll be pouring my sugar in the flour mixture, but if you want to do this, make sure you add some water into the sugar mixture so that it doesn't dry up immediately. You're supposed to add some little water, like 1/3 cup of water, to mix this properly, then add it with the mixture, the flour mixture, so that as soon as you add the sugar, it's not going to dry up immediately. It will enable you to mix it properly with the flour. I'm still stirring the sugar. I'm trying to make sure there is no lump. We don't want any sugar with a lump. I just want a smooth and a consistent mixture. So here I pour my sugar. The brown sugar, I pour it in the flour. So I'm gonna mix everything together thoroughly. So here I'm mixing it up, I'm mixing it together. I have to go in fast so it doesn't dry up. Skippy. So I'm done mixing it right now. I'm putting in the peanut butter. I don't want to add too much peanut butter, so I decided to add a 1/2 tablespoon of peanut butter. After adding the peanut butter, mix everything together. until it's totally mixed up. So here I am mixing everything together. As you can see, the flour is not sticking to the bowl, it's not sticking to anything, it's smooth, and it looks soft. So this is exactly how I want it to look. So I'm cutting a piece and I'm spreading it on the chopping board. So thereafter, I'm gonna use I have this glass cup. I'm just gonna be using the tip of the glass cup to cut this into round shape, so it could form the cookie shape. You understand what I mean? So this is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm cutting it with my glass cup just because I want it to form the cookie shape. So here is my pan. I already greased my pan and I put a little powder of the flour, sprinkled it on the pan so the cookie doesn't stick to the pan. So I'm adding my raisins to the cookie. Oh wow, the cookie is ready so fast. So guys, here is our cookie. Isn't this looking appetizing? Yeah, it looks yummy, it looks good, and it sure tastes good. You could see me tasting the cookie, it tastes good. So guys, here is our peanut butter cookie. Thank you for watching.